Hello students, welcome to zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a biology class of standard 10 chapter 9. Today's topic is diseases of bones. Diseases of bones. Last classes we have discussed about our skeletal system. In your text there are two diseases are mentioned here, osteoporosis and rheumatoid arthritis, which is related with our skeletal system. Today we have to discuss about these two diseases. Number 1, osteoporosis. You know, calcium and vitamin-enriched food is essential for the growth of bones. Osteoporosis is a calcium deficiency disease. Generally, elderly males and females suffer from this disease. There is a higher chance of having this disease in males who are taking medicine with steroid and the females after their menopause. Those who lead lazy life, do less physical labor, have a higher chance of being attacked with this disease. Cause of osteoporosis. This disease develops due to the deficiency of mineral salts, particularly of calcium. After reaching the menopause stage, the density and thickness of bones declines in female and the bones become brittle. Symptoms of osteoporosis. Number 1, bones become brittle, thickness decreases. Number 2, muscles strength reduces. Number 3, feel back pain. Number 4, pain in bones. There is a picture of osteoporosis. In the picture we can see that the thickness or density of bones decreases due to the period of osteoporosis. Diagnosis. This disease can be diagnosed by examining the density of the bone with the help of density measuring equipments. At the primary stage of the disease, the symptoms are not noticed. Suddenly, hip bones or any other bone may fracture. Remedies. Men and women who are above 50 should take 1200 milligram calcium or amount according to the advice of doctors. Drink skimmed milk and other dairy products. Consume orange juice, green vegetables, soya product and calcium enriched food. Prevention. Come in contact with adequate sunlight. Taking vitamin D and calcium enriched food. Regular exercise. Take balance and cellulose enriched food. Number B, rheumatoid arthritis. Generally, elderly people suffer from this disease. A young person's pain in joint may be a symptoms of rheumatoid or rheumatic arthritis. Symptoms: inflammation and pain in bone joints, stiff bone joint, pain during articular movement, joint swelling. There is a picture of arthritis. The X-ray view of rheumatoid arthritis. Remedies. Avoid hard labor and heavy work. Apply warm heat in the affected joint. Do light exercise to keep the joint movable. According to the doctor's advice, taking pain relieving medicine and proper treatment can relieve of this disease. Prevention. Regular exercise according to the doctor's advice. Taking balanced and fibrous food.